This is Gardiner, Montana. We spent the night here, and we're going to be going into Yellowstone National Park. There's one road that's open year round in the park, and we're going to go drive that. Just want to take a moment just to look at this. Beautiful, huh? So we're going to go into the park and drive that road, and then we're going to be coming back out. Yeah, we're going to be coming back out this direction because the road, the Chief Joseph Highway that we would take over to Cody, Wyoming, that road is closed in winter, so we have to come back through this way. And then we're going to be heading down the interstate towards home. And that'll conclude our 2022 winter road trip in January. So, all right, we're going to be hopping into the car and heading on our way in a minute here. Heading into Yellowstone National Park. Let's see what Gardiner looks like in January. It's 8:42 a.m. right now.
Degrees according to the sign.
River. Yellowstone National Park. Oops, hold it up. Look at that. Nobody's there. Not even open, I bet. Not right now, and maybe later today.
Let's stop at the arch here.
Yeah, we'll drive under it. Drive under it. Don't need to stop there, just want to drive under it. Gotta go in the correct way. Okay. There's the Roosevelt Arch. There it is. We're going under it. There. Wow, look at all the traffic. The other side. that direction. Yellowstone straight ahead. Not seeing any outdoor animals over there right now. There's the campgrounds. Mammoth is open. All the rest are closed. Wow, Mammoth is open year round. Oh man, that's kind of cool, I think. Okay, we are officially in the park. That. Yeah. All right, we need to check out something here. Today's fire danger is like in the green, so all right, it's low. So surprise, surprise. Okay, now we're driving in. Last time on the drive towards Gardiner, we did catch some glimpses of some elk crossing the road north of the park. It was really dark at the time, but sure less traffic going in summertime. Look up there now. Flowing down there. Oh, we got something there.
Elk.
Yay, we got an elk there. Yeah, there's one over there. Oh, there's a duck down there too. Take a look at the duck first. Where'd he go? There he is. Spending his winter and see, take a look at the elk up there. See another one back there. That was a bull over there. Hold it steady now. Back here. Where'd she go? There she is. Huh. Okay, got to see some elk here. coming up from a thermal feature over there.
That might be the place where you can swim in the river.
Yeah, that could be. Don't know if it's open in winter.
There was a road going that way, but it was closed.
Oh, okay. Driving towards Mammoth right now. Be interesting to see if there's anybody camping at the campground. There's the campground over there. I do see some vehicles up there.
The Mammoth sign.
Let's see, do I see anybody? Those sort of look like service vehicles here. I thought I saw further up. But anyways, there's Mammoth Campground. I don't think they have all the sites available, but yeah, you keep going. Yeah, those look like parked vehicles there. Now, this campground is open. Do some winter camping. That's cool. Oh, there's the people camping. There's the camping. Wow, they're even in tents. Man, that's cool. Yeah, there we go. It's official. People are camping in Yellowstone at Mammoth Campground in January. From the dog too. Cool. With the right kind of rig, I wouldn't mind doing it. I wouldn't want to do it in a tent though. I'm not quite that hardcore for winter camping.